Hey there, savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on the minds of many: credit cards for a 600 credit score. Now, you might be wondering, can I even get a credit card with a 600 credit score? Stick around because we're not only going to answer that question but also unveil some of the best options out there, both secured and unsecured. So, let's jump right in. Absolutely. Having a 600 credit score doesn't mean you're out of luck. Many financial institutions offer credit cards tailored for individuals in this range. It's all about finding the right one that suits your needs and helps you build your credit. Here are some best secured credit cards for 600 credit score. Our first contender is the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Credit Card. With this card, you can enjoy the benefits of cash rewards without an astronomical deposit. It's a win-win situation for building your credit and earning rewards. Next up, we have the Opensky Secured Visa Credit Card. It's known for its simplicity and accessibility. Even with a low credit score, you can secure this card without a hassle, making it a great choice for rebuilding your credit. Discover It Secured Credit Card offers a fantastic cashback rewards program. Plus, after a certain period of responsible use, they even review your account and might transition you to an unsecured card, boosting your credit journey. Bank of America Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card is excellent for those who want to earn rewards while working on their credit. It offers cashback on specific categories, making your everyday purchases more rewarding. Last but not least, the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card is a great choice for beginners. It doesn't require a high deposit, and with responsible use, you can secure a higher credit limit over time. Let's see some best unsecured credit cards for 600 credit score. Moving on to unsecured cards, the Chase Freedom Rise Credit Card is fantastic. It offers cashback rewards and benefits tailored to those with fair credit. It's a step towards better rewards without the need for a security deposit. The Surge Platinum MasterCard is designed for individuals with average credit. It's an unsecured card that offers financial flexibility and a chance to boost your credit score when used responsibly. Capital One Platinum MasterCard is accessible for those with fair credit and offers the advantage of no annual fees. It's a straightforward and no-nonsense card designed to help you build your credit history. Reflex Platinum MasterCard is another great option. It's tailored for individuals with less than perfect credit and provides a chance for credit rebuilding. Plus, it's accepted at millions of locations worldwide. Lastly, the Aspire Cashback Reward Card offers cashback on eligible purchases. It's a great way to earn rewards while working on your credit score. Plus, it comes with additional perks that make it worth considering. Here are the best student credit cards for 600 credit score. For students looking to build credit, the Capital One Saver One Student Cash Rewards Card is an excellent choice. It offers cashback rewards tailored for student spending, making it a smart pick for young adults. Capital One Quicksilver Student Cash Rewards Card is another great option. It provides straightforward cashback benefits and is designed with students in mind, helping them establish a positive credit history. The Discover It Student Cashback Card is known for its student-friendly rewards and benefits. It's a fantastic way for students to start building their credit while earning cashback on their everyday purchases. Ever wondered how we pick the best credit cards for a 600 credit score? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you our evaluation process. So, buckle up and let's see. First things first, we scrutinize the eligibility requirements. We want to make sure the cards we recommend are accessible to individuals with fair credit scores. After all, there's no point in falling in love with a card that you can't qualify for, right? Next on our checklist is the APR, or annual percentage rate. This little number determines how much interest you'll be paying if you carry a balance. We focus on cards with competitive APRs to ensure you don't end up shelling out more of your hard-earned cash. Fees, the silent wallet assassins. We meticulously study the fees associated with each card, annual fees, late payment charges, and any other hidden costs. We're all about finding cards with minimal fees, because, let's face it, who wants to pay extra when you don't have to?
Ah,
The credit limit, your financial playground. We look for cards that offer reasonable initial credit limits. A higher credit limit can give you the financial flexibility you need. Plus, we keep an eye out for cards that offer the potential for increases based on your responsible spending habits. Now, let's talk pre-qualification. We understand the anxiety that comes with applying for a credit card and not knowing if you'll get approved. That's why we favor cards that allow you to check your eligibility without hurting your credit score. It's like peeking into your financial future without any risks. Last but certainly not least, we examine the rewards and bonus offers. From cashback to travel rewards, we search for cards that sweeten the deal. After all, who doesn't love a little extra perk for their purchases? We want you to get the most out of your card, making your financial journey a bit more exciting. And there you have it, the insider scoop on how we evaluate credit cards for a 600 credit score. Remember, choosing a credit card is a personal decision, so make sure to consider your spending habits and financial goals. There you have it, folks, our guide to the best credit cards for a 600 credit score. Remember, the right credit card can be a valuable tool in building your credit and achieving your financial goals. As always, please do your research and choose the card that best fits your needs and spending habits. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy spending and building that credit score.